Hey everybody. Today, we're going to talk you through the steps of Proactiv solution. It's really quite easy to use, and you're going to see such a difference in your skin once you commit to treating your breakouts with Proactiv. Okay, so Proactiv solution has 3 steps, and all steps are designed to be used together and consistently to get the best results. Step 1 is the renewing cleanser. Use this morning and night. First, dampen your face with warm water. It does not need to be hot, warm is better. Next, squeeze the cleanser onto your hands. Gently massage the cleanser onto your skin for 1 to 2 minutes. Since we're looking to disrupt the acne cycle before it starts, you want to apply all of your Proactiv products to your whole face and rinse your face with warm water. And then step 2, the revitalizing toner. You want to apply this with a cotton ball or pad morning and night. Cover your whole face and let dry before moving on to your next step. And don't rinse the toner off. Step 3, the repairing treatment. You apply a thin layer over your entire face and leave the treatment on. Don't rinse it off, and let that dry, and you're good to go. Using Proactiv can really help you disrupt the acne cycle and get clear, beautiful skin.